A blinking green light on your T-Mobile router, such as the Arcadian KVD21 or Nokia FastMile 5G gateway, indicates the router is connected to the internet, but no data is flowing. Think of it as having a highway connection, but no cars are moving. This internet on no data state often stems from DNS resolution failures, firmware glitches, or incorrect network settings. The router connects to T-Mobile's network, but your devices can't load websites or online services due to DNS issues. Don't worry, this is a common issue and is often resolved by a simple fix. First, try a simple reboot. Unplug your T-Mobile router for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary memory issues without affecting your settings. If the reboot doesn't resolve it, the issue might be DNS related. Access your router settings through the T-Mobile app or web portal. Manually change your DNS servers to Google's public DNS, which is 8.88.8 and 8.844. Alternatively, you can use Cloudflare's DNS server at 11.1.1 for potentially faster and more secure resolution. If the DNS changes don't work and problems persist, consider a factory reset as a last resort. This will wipe all your custom settings, including Wi-Fi passwords, so you'll need to reset up the router afterward. Use the reset button on the back of the router. The T-Mobile app offers guided troubleshooting tools that can help identify the specific issue with your router and provide step-by-step instructions to resolve it. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the blinking green light issue, contact T-Mobile customer support for further assistance. They have access to advanced diagnostics and can help without risking your warranty.